my god, that's the most amount of money I ever spent in one go. Wide body Camaro? I see you. This used to make the sound. 500 wheel is not that fast. It is fast, but not. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be ordering my big turbo and my bigger fuel pump. Also, today's video is more of a vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. Man, can't wait to get on E85. Like, I'll probably be saving hella money. I gotta leave California and move to Texas because these gas prices are making me broke. Luckily, I don't drive a Mustang every day. I drive it like once a week or twice a week. But before, I used to drive it every day as a daily, and before my Scion TC, and I used to spend $60 every 3 or 4 days. That's like nearly how much. That shit is crazy. But anyways, on a positive note, I'm going to Starbucks. Shit, that's clean. Damn. Alright, I see you. Alright, so I went home quickly and swapped out my Mustang for my Scion. I'm heading up to a car meet right now. I don't want to take my Mustang because it's kind of far and I don't really want to use the gas that I put in today. I was really excited for the Mustang rally. It was gonna happen today, but it got postponed to another day next month. I was a little bummed, but it's okay. I was gonna take my Mustang. But yeah, we were gonna drive around North California, but yeah, it would have been really fun. And honestly, the meet's not even big. Like, there's only a couple of cars. There's like only there's only like 10 cars. That's it. Damn. I drove all the way here for no reason. Luckily, see, this is why I don't bring my Mustang to like events like these, because I know it's like a risk of either being a successful show or something that nobody goes to. Especially like right now, the time is 2:30 and it is hot outside. And I'm pretty sure nobody wants to be outside right now. Those Hondas are clean, but yeah, now I'm just heading home. The car meet was not too bad. A lot of people turned up, more than expected. But yeah, they were selling Hot Wheel cars. Damn. These are like actually my dream cars. That's why I bought them. I don't really buy Hot Wheels, but I do have like some, like a couple. But the ones I usually buy are like the ones that actually the cars that I want in the future. So like this one, Mustang, obviously I have it. But DTR R35 on my dream list. Viper is definitely on the dream list. This is like the top car that I want. But they're so expensive right now. They're literally increasing in value. And I also got boba. Man, I drank this shit so fast because it's so hot outside. Wide body Camaro? I see you. Yeah, I look clean. Shit, man. Alright guys, it's the next day. I fell asleep. I couldn't record. But here I am trying to order my parts. Yeah, so this is what I'm going for. It's the Nostrum high pressure fuel pump and the drop-in comp turbo. But yeah, with these two parts and with my 4 bolt-ons and my Tune E85, of course, that's why I'm buying the fuel pump. I'll probably be pushing for about 500 wheel. I was thinking I'd rather blow the block I have right now than buy a brand new block, the 2.0 block. That block is really expensive. I mean, I can build it myself or like buy the engine and put in bigger pistons and rods. I can do that, but I'd rather have this block, the 2.3 liter block, blowing. And I mean, it is gonna happen pretty soon because these blocks aren't reliable. But yeah, all the parts that I bought right now, my intercooler, my fuel pump, my bigger turbo, my downpipe, and all of that will be still on the car even if I bought the 2.0 liter block. Yeah, Yes, I am gonna build that block, and I am gonna push for more than 600 wheel. But for now, we're gonna wait for another couple more months and build my car and use these parts to where we put it in. All right, I just placed my order. Oh my god, that's the most amount of money I ever spent in one go. I could have bought another car with that money. Another couple dream cars: R33, Toyota Supra, of course. This is definitely on the list, and the same Mustang I have. But yeah, another thing that's not on the list is Evo and a 370Z and a Civic, an EG Civic. And I think I'll be good for the rest of my life. A lot of people in Sacramento, my area, usually collect these Hot Wheels. I'm not really like collecting them a lot, but I know a few people that have like hundreds and hundreds of cars. But I just do it for my future goals. But yeah, I'm really excited for the parts to come in a couple of weeks, and we are gonna get the car in the shop again. But yeah, let's get back into the video. So yeah, so the blow-up valve you guys used to hear was from this. This rubber piece was on top of this tube. I took this tube out, blocked it with this, and this used to make the psh sound. I'm not cheaping out with that again. I'm actually gonna buy a real blow-up valve, and this can just go in the bin. But yeah. You have to look at that baby turbo. That's definitely gonna be upgraded. And the intercooler is super small too. That shit needs to be upgraded as well. Just imagine this beautiful machine sending everybody to Applebee's. Okay, before y'all haters start saying that it's not gonna be that fast, I know it's not gonna be that fast, alright? Subway time!
Did I miss it again?
No, you didn't. You're good. Hi, Billy, long time no see. Billy, long time no see. Subway done and dusted?